Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if it's your first time meeting me, I'm Mimi. Hello and thank you for stopping by. So in this channel I talk about studies, life in Germany and my lifestyle in Germany as well. So yeah, that's what I do. For those already subscribed, I thank you for tuning back in and for the love you share to me. So guys, I actually want some love. Please always give my video some thumbs ups to encourage me to continue giving you the beautiful contents I've been giving all this while. And also, I'm also very open into my comment section. If you have any inquiry, if you have any question, just write and I'll obviously always reply. Because I speak different languages, it happens that I do videos as well in French and some in English. So if I do a video and you are bilingual, and that's good for you. If I do a video in French, for example, and you feel you would love to have that video in English, then just write in the comment section and I can do that video in English for you. You know, you guys are my guys, so yeah. What won't I do for you? So that's it. Actually, I did this video you can see on your screen, and it was my first video in German. I did everything in German. I was so happy about the outcome because it was an opportunity for me to practice all the German I've been learning all this while. It's years I've been learning German, but just because I studied in German has given me the opportunity to really work on my German language. And I received some very beautiful comments, which gave me like a lot of push to keep on making some contents in German or to keep on just practicing the language so I can be better in it. Yeah, I was so grateful for the comments. I wanted to share with you all the tips I've been using to make my German language better. I have just 3 tips, and without wasting time, let's dive into the tips. So, the first tip you would like to consider when it comes to learning German, which is a foreign language for me and maybe for you, is to receive as much input as possible in the language. Yeah, receive as much input as possible. I have to repeat this so that you guys really understand it. Talking of input, I mean reading and listening. So, for those who don't know yet, or for those who know already, I'm equally a linguist. So, I did a master's degree in applied linguistics, and in one of the courses I was enrolled in, which is research methods in vocabulary, we learned that when you learn a new language, you should basically be exposed to receive input and to work on vocabulary. That is the new words you encounter. And that's a perfect example for me to expatiate on you getting exposed to input. Because, for example, if you read a lot in German, you come across new words. And when you come across the new words, that's how you can do research on it and the word sticks in your mind. When you listen to a lot of German music or you watch movies in German, when you encounter a word, I mean, you can understand a scene, but you won't understand maybe every word. That's understandable. But the strange words you will not maybe at that point understand. You will want to later on search in the like translate it to know what it means, and that's how you learn a language. That's how me I learn German. I watch news, Tagesschau on YouTube, basically in German. And when I watch news, there are some words I don't grasp. I just keep watching. Just keep watching. And one day when I get across that word, I'll be like, I think I know this word somewhere. So that's how it works. You just need to be exposed to a lot of you need to be exposed and get of input because when you come across these new words, your brain stores the words. It takes some time for it to be processed, but it's somewhere in your brain. And if you encounter the words twice, thrice, that's how it sticks, and that's how you can use the words afterwards. So that's leading us to the next part of the tip, which is to speak. So when you get all those inputs, you will not want to just keep it in you, right? No, you want to use it. You want to spell it out, and that's how a foreign language works. If you learn it and you don't speak, you never grasp it. Yeah, it enters and it has to go out. That's how it works. Speak, speak, speak. Oh my gosh, besties, open your mouth and speak the language. Don't care if you have to make some mistakes. Don't care if you have to look like this. Don't care if they would say, oh, blah, blah, blah. No, just speak the language. You want to say something German, say it. The person who wants to correct you will do, and that's how you will learn. Speak the language. Be like, even if you have German friends who can speak English, speak the language with them. Because the more you will speak, that's how you will use all the words you've been grasping via listening and hearing. and that's why you're producing the words. So speaking is very, very crucial when it comes to you trying to work on your language and you wanting to make your language level be high, So yeah. After having the inputs, after being exposed, and after producing the language, the next and last tip I can give you, I mean, for what works for me, is just to keep on practicing. Let me tell you something. So I've been learning German for a while now, and I always had this difficulty with using the second person plural, which is the ear, eure, ihre. I had issues using it. So or just basically when I want to shy away from it, I'll just use Z like the plural. But I just it's a while now. I would say it's like some months I can actually use euch, eure, ihre. I can use it very well. I can even like conjugate very well using the second person plural, which I could not in the past. I would not even imagine. I was just like, nah, that's difficult. Just use the Z, the global plural. But I mean, now I can say ihr wart was essen, and I'm like, gosh, I just use the second person plural. I'm like, I'm so happy, and I think it's a fruit of a lot of practices because I get to hear a lot of ear, and even though I learned it, but I hadn't yet processed it. Now that I've processed it and I use it, it's very easy for me to communicate to a group of people using the second person plural, and it works. Like in English, you would say you are like you. I now use ear. Like I could not use it like that in the past. Even though I had a C one already, I could not still use it. So I think with time and a lot of practice, I've been able to use the second person plural, and I'm very happy. I'm very proud of that. That's like a different step forward to my German. So that was the 3 tips I had to share with you guys on how to speak a better German. And yeah, I'll always encourage you to always fun speaking. Like 3 tips: receive a lot of inputs, like it should come in. Afterwards, you speak it, it has to come out. Then you practice. Like you have to just remember the lane, like the practice level, practice, 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 and practice. There's nothing else. Even if you use apps, you still need to practice. Even if you use textbooks, you still need to practice. If you focus on these 3 tips I just gave you, then you will see some improvements. That's what helped me, and that's how I get to speak a better German every day. So, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have some further tips for me too as well, I'm very open. We are here to help ourselves be better people, speak better German, have a better time in Germany and everything. So I'm very open if you send any message in the comment section. So I'll be ending here today, and please stay safe, take care of yourselves, and see you in the next video. Bye.